Hello everybody. So today's Hamster Kombat daily Cipher Morse code is much easier. So it's web 3. So I'll show you how to do it now. Just follow me. In the first place, you should press this dot and dash. It will give you W, and then dot it will give you E, and then dash dot to give you web, and then the last one is dot dash. Wow, that's amazing. I've got my own. Let me take my prize. It's 1 million. So I hope everybody will do it like this. Thank you. Good night. Don't forget I am Malan Crypto.